We have a voicemail number. That number is 2192 David P. Here is a voicemail caller who asks about something that really opens up a major can of worms. Major can of worms. Take a listen to this.
Hey, David. So I've been slowly getting more involved in the stock market recently. I was just wondering if you had any recommendations as to who you might listen to for advice for that, or if you have anyone yourself. Thanks.
So listen, here's the deal. You don't need to listen to anyone. You don't need. My advice on this continues to be pay no attention to stock pickers or market timers of any kind. The advice is the financial advising industry is 99% based on making really simple things appear to be complicated so that you pay someone for advice. Is the stock market going up? Keep buying index funds. Is the stock market going down? Keep buying index funds. That's it. That's the strategy. And then just wait. You've got to filter out the noise. And we've recently on live streams been doing kind of debunkings of so-called financial guru Dave Ramsey's financial advice, which is often sort of like just right-wing Christianity based. It's not something I like to get involved in myself. I've talked before about the futility of picking individual stocks. If you believe that you know something no one else does, and you can pick individual stocks and know when to buy and when to sell, allocate some small amount of your assets to that. And I consider it gambling. I own some individual stocks, but the vast majority should be in the lowest possible cost, wide, broad-based index funds. And over time, those tend to go up. And you don't need to worry about, oh, well, the market's down 2%. Do I buy? You set up a schedule and that's it. I buy once a month on the first of the month. I buy twice a month, the 1st and the 15th. If stocks are going down, if the market's going down, you're getting a discount. Great, you keep buying. If stocks are going up, the stuff you've already bought becomes worth more. And then in terms of who to follow, if you believe that someone in particular has really great stock picking skills, whether you like Dave Ramsey, or I doubt he gives individual stock advice, or like Jim Cramer or some newsletter or whatever, devote some small portion of your assets. But my advice is about who to get advice from. No one. The strategy is buy broad-based index funds and just keep buying. And next month, we're actually going to interview Nick Majuli, who just put out a book about this, saying you got to filter out the noise. This individual stock picking and people saying, get in now, get out now. It's a distraction. We'll talk about that more next month. We have a great bonus show for you today. McDonald's is temporarily closing 850 restaurants in Russia, and it led to massive lines outside of McDonald's in Russia. We are going to talk about the increase in the portion of Americans now living paycheck to paycheck, partially because of inflation. And we are also, this is good news. Congress has passed a bill to bolster the Postal Service without cutting back on delivery, which it looked like they were going to be doing, slowing down and cutting back on delivery. So all good news, and all of those stories are on today's bonus show. You can sign up at joinpacman.com. Remember that Alex Jones has issued an anti-endorsement of the bonus show. Alex Jones hates the bonus show.
Oh, the bonus show where you want to make money, but everybody else that makes money to fund themselves is bad.
The fact that he is so against it should make you think, damn, there's probably something interesting happening on that bonus show. Sign up at joinpacman.com, and we have just a couple days left. If you would like to apply for content coaching, if you are a content creator and you would like to participate in free, this is free coaching. We're going to pick 4 or 5 people. We've had about 100 apply so far. You can apply at davidpacman.com/coaching. Don't email me about the coaching. Emails will be ignored. If you're interested, apply at davidpacman.com/coaching. See you on the bonus show.